In a surprising turn of events, Tesla, the leading electric vehicle manufacturer, has recently announced a significant price cut on 3 of its popular models. The Model Y, S, and X vehicles are now more affordable by $2,000 each in the US market. This move is seen as a strategic effort to boost sales amidst some challenging times. Rewind a little, and we find the roots of this decision. Tesla's stock had been facing a rough patch, dropping below $150 per share, a 40% decrease in value within a year. The challenges didn't stop there. The company also announced a global staff cut of 10% and had to recall 4,000 cybertrucks due to accelerator pedal issues. Even Elon Musk, Tesla's charismatic leader, had to postpone a planned trip to India to meet with Prime Minister Modi, citing commitments to Tesla as the reason. This period of turbulence culminated in a decline in worldwide sales in the previous quarter. Then came the pivot. Tesla made the decision to reduce the prices of its Model Y, S, and X vehicles. The new starting price for the Model Y now stands at $42,990. The Model S and X, on the other hand, are priced at $72,990 and $77,990 respectively. This move, while surprising to some, is seen as a strategic response to the challenges facing the company. By reducing prices, Tesla aims to boost sales and regain its momentum. To summarize, Tesla, facing a series of challenges, has responded by slashing prices on 3 of its models. This decision comes amidst a stock price drop, global staff cuts, and vehicle recalls. Despite these hurdles, Tesla continues to innovate and adapt, demonstrating its commitment to making electric vehicles more accessible to the masses. This story, like all others, will continue to unfold. So stay tuned for more updates from the world of electric vehicles.